Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to wind your Caravelle mechanical watch. So this is a Caravelle by Bulova 1960s manual winding mechanical watch. So what does manual winding mean? It means that you need to manual wind your watch. So you need to rotate the watch crown in a clockwise direction, so to the right or upwards, and you do that for around 10 to 20 times. You can also hear the watch wind. Now, something really important when you wind mechanical watches, either manual winding or automatic watches, is that when you start to feel some resistance, so as you wind the watch, you are going to feel that the crown is going to wind harder and harder. This means that you are getting closer and closer to the maximum number of winds. You do not want to go past that maximum number because you can actually damage the watch. So once you start to feel this very powerful resistance, you need to stop. Then you are going to put the watch on your wrist, see for how many hours it is going to run, and then once it stops, you need to wind it once again. So guys, that was the tutorial on how to wind your Caravelle by Bulova mechanical watch. If you are interested in more similar videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like the video, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.